Hey class, Mr. H here. Just wanted to go through a couple of questions at the end of the StatCrunch homework. What they involve is going and finding a mean and standard deviation of grouped data, like a frequency distribution. We've done finding the mean of that using a formula, which is pretty straightforward. However, finding the standard deviation, although there's a formula for it, is a little longer, and it just might be better to use StatCrunch for that. I'll just go through a couple of or a question from the StatCrunch homework. So I'm just gonna open it up, and it's the questions 11 and 12 that I'm talking about in this video. So let's try question 12. So it says the number of courses taught per semester by a random sample of professors are shown in the histogram. And so you have a distribution there. Notice the bottom x-axis is the number of courses taught per semester. And so then the height of the bar is how many professors are teaching that number of courses per semester. So 2 professors are teaching 1 class, 16 professors are teaching 2 classes, etc. So the first part, I'm just filling in the data, which hopefully I'll be able to do because I'm just typing in the number of professors per number of courses. All it takes is a little keen eyesight and then check. Okay, got that right. Okay, so now the mean. I could do the mean by formula again by, multiplying each pair 1 times 2, 2 times 16, add all of those products up, and then divide by the sum of all of these frequencies. That would work just fine, but in this video, we're relying on the technology StatCrunch, so I'm going to do it that way, and then it's also going to give me that standard deviation, which is what I'm really doing this for. Okay, so I'm going to push this to the side, and I'll bring up StatCrunch. Here's a blank StatCrunch page, and the first thing I have to do is enter in the data. So 1, 2, 3, and 4 for, just kind of mirroring what I see in my homework problem here. And there we go. Okay, so the way this works is you're going to go to stat, summary stats, but then you're going to go all the way to grouped or binned data. For the bins in, put the x-axis values, which in this case is the var1. And then for the counts in is the same as frequency. So put the y-axis values or the frequencies var2. And then the default statistics are good. I'll just click on compute. And then I've got my values here. Okay. So really what I'm after is the mean and the standard deviation. And then I just have to round correctly. So this says to 1 decimal place. Let's check these out, see if we got it. So the X bar, which is mean, looks like, ooh, this is a tricky one. 1 decimal is going to be a 3.0, isn't it? So let's see. Got it right. Okay, got that one. And then now the sample standard deviation. There it is. If I round that to 1 decimal place, 0.85. So that's got to be up to 0.9. And we've got it. Okay, and then that's it. And question 11 is similar. So that should help you with those questions. If you have any of your own questions, send them my way. Otherwise, I hope that was helpful. Okay, thanks. Talk to you later. Bye.